My name's Ursula. Welcome to TMD Motorhomes. Did you know that we also hire out vehicles? This is our Adria Sun Living 6 berth. We also do 4 berths and 5 berths. All of our vehicles come fully equipped. All you need to supply is yourself, your bedding and your towels. This vehicle comes with a large garage, and we also supply outside table and chairs. They also come with a wind out awning for those warm sunny evenings where you can sit outside with a glass of wine. All of our vehicles come with a fridge freezer, gas cooker, and they are all fully equipped with plates, cups and pans. This particular vehicle has a fixed rear double bed. If you would like to hire one of our vehicles, please contact us at TMD Motorhomes.